Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the HyperX Cloud Alpha Pro Gaming Headset. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $100. Now shout out to everybody that was watching my last video game stream and asking me how come the mic sounds so good. It's because I was using these. Now before that, I was using my Sony PlayStation Platinums on my Razer Threshers, but those are wireless headphones, so anytime you use wireless mics, you got more chance for distortion. Now these aren't wireless, so the mic is going to be crystal clear. Alright, so let's check these out. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. HyperX Cloud Alpha Pro Gaming Headset. Now these will work on your PC, your PlayStation 4, your Xbox One, your Mac, your mobile, Nintendo Switch, and VR. Now you get your HyperX custom designed dual chamber drivers, your signature HyperX comfort, and a detachable cable with inline audio controls. Now these are the official headset of professional gaming organizations. Now if you don't believe that, watch any video game tournament, you're always going to see everybody wearing HyperX headphones. Alright, let's go through the features. You got signature HyperX memory foam. You got a durable aluminum frame. Alright, shout out to everybody in the UK. You got a detachable cable with inline audio controls, and you got a detachable noise cancellation microphone. $100. Let's see what it is. Inside, HyperX. Now, the side note, I've been using these for about a week. One thing that I was impressed with is the build quality. But check these out. All right, inside you get a little pamphlet, plug it and file it. Got a little box. Let's open this up. Now you get two sets of cables. Now these are braided cables, high quality. One of them has the inline controls, so you got your volume and you got your mic on and off. Nice quality cables. Get a little carrying case. HyperX branding. Let's do the smell test. Smells like velvet. Inside, let's keep it moving. Got your usual books and shit. Quick setup guide. Plug it and file it. And here goes your headphones. And of course, your detachable mic. First things first, here's the mic. All right, nice quality on this. It is detachable. And the headphones. Now check these out. Aluminum build. Let's peel these off. Rah. One more. Rah. Okay, and I just popped off the headset. But this is good though. I popped off the memory foam. You can see what's underneath. There's your custom drivers. Let's do the stretch test. Extra stretchy, super comfortable. HyperX branding on the top, padded foam. I had these on for about 4 hours the other night when I was getting bodied on Street Fighter. Super comfortable. Now check this out. Here's where you plug in your mic. Let's get this in here real quick. That's the mic right there. And here's your inline cable. Chill, Zerks. Let's plug in the inline cable real quick. White Shoes want a game tonight. We're going to do that. There. All right, Zerks, calm down. All right, this is what it's going to look like once you plug these in. Now, when I was streaming, I was listening to the sound from the TV, so I didn't have the headphones on. I just had them on my head, had the mic up in the air, and it still sounded crystal clear. Then when I wanted to go full throttle, I just bent the mic down a little bit, still had them on the side of my head. Everybody heard me perfectly. All right, Zerks, you want to hear these? Check these out. Definitely feeling these. Now, as far as sound quality, Zerks, have at it. As far as sound quality, they sound decent. They're not the best sounding in the world. The main thing I like about these headphones is the mic. Now, if you're going to be streaming or doing some online content, one of the most important things is having a crystal clear mic. Now, I know everybody likes to use wireless headphones, but you're taking a chance using wireless because you might get distortion. I paid a lot more for the Razers and the PlayStations, and everybody was saying the mic sounded like trash. As soon as I switched and put these on, everybody was saying it was crystal clear. All right, so $100 on these. Check them out for yourself. Now, I'm going to show you all a little clip from my last stream, and y'all can hear it for yourself. Now, on a side note, let me tell y'all a quick story. I did go to the launch event for these headphones. They had a Street Fighter V tournament in New York City. So I went to the launch event, and they was letting people from the media play against some of the professional gamers. So I had 4 matches. I played against K-Brad, Bone Chan, Gamer B, and Daigo. And between all 4 of those matches, I got about 5 hits. All right. So shout out to the real gamers. I went up in there and got mollywopped. I got bodied. But I play Street Fighter to have fun. I'm going to be streaming again tonight, and we'll have a little bit of fun. All right, so check these out for yourself. Stand by for some gaming footage.
Let's go. All right, you want to? I seen you. Seen you. What am I doing? He was going for that jump mid-air kick. He tried to bait me out twice in a row.
It was a very difficult fight. Round 2.
Hey, here we go. Let's go.
Fight.
That shit is clean, yo. Queens, get the money! I just looked up in the stream. I seen Queens, yo. Hold up, that hype me up. Yo. Chill, don't hype me up too much. Yo. Don't hype me up too much. I wasted a clean jumping. That was a shimmy. See, I told you he was going for that. Get body. Oh, no, hold up. My bad. As you're about to see right now. Oh! I forgot he could do that. That was dumb. That was so fucking dumb. Oh! I tried to parry him. Stun City. Yo, hold up. You're right. Did you see that parry? Did you see that parry? Ooh. See, even when I lose, man, if I do something that's hard, man, that should make me feel good. You see that parry? Now let me stop playing around. All right, I can't jump though. He thought he was gonna do that shit 2 times in a row. Stun City. Who seen that block, yo? Time out. Who seen that block, yo? Fight. Not that one. Word, that's how you doing it? Word. All right, let's go. I got one of those too. Let's go. He want to style out. Let's style, man. Let's style. Oh, I told you. You want to style, nigga? Let's go. He trying to style on me, man. Let's go, man. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get too hyped like
Round
that.
4.
Nah, chill. Don't play me like that, son.
Hadouken! Hadouken!
Good shit.
Hadouken! 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 Strike! Hadouken! Hadouken! Yeah!
Oh! Yo, who seen that, yo?
Shoryuken! Now the fight has begun. Shoryuken!
Not like this. Not like this.
Looks like I won. All right.
I ain't gonna front. I got overconfident. I was already worried about the next round.
Hadouken! 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 Hadouken!
I'm gonna make you block. Let's go. Let me build all that meter up.
Hadouken! 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 Hadouken!
Oh! Ah! Let's go! Let's go! Who's seen that parry? If I win this, I'm the greatest. Now I can win like that, too. Oh my God, Ryan, did you see that parry? Someone press pause, rewind their YouTube,
You win.
and watch that parry. Yo, oh my God, son, I'm the greatest ever. Let me stop. Stop playing around now, stop playing around.
Shoryuken! Shoryuken!
You know she gonna hit them 4 pieces all day.
Hadouken! Shoryuken!
And with her, I gotta watch my ankles. Oh, that was nice.
Shoryuken!
Dumb. Put it all on the line.
Shoryuken! Shoryuken!
Ah,
Hadouken!
bitch.
Hadouken! Hadouken!
I knew you trying. She tried the same move twice, yeah. She tried to do the same shit twice, yeah.
It's a very difficult fight.
Round 2. Fight!
I ain't gonna keep falling for that same bullshit. Okay, I fell for that one though. See, I told you. Soon as she make that sound, I don't see. I see it, bitch.
Shoryuken!
I eat that. I eat that too. Oh, and I'm gonna hold that. And I'm gonna hold all that, yeah.
Break you!
Man, that's a nice little 2-piece.
Shoryuken!
I was going for something different. All right. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this bitch. Let's go.
Round 3. Fight! Hadouken! 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 Strike!
Every time she do that, I'm just going full throttle uppercut. Oh God! Oh! Ah! What am I doing? 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 What am I doing, son? What am I deserve to die.
Round 4.
Okay.
Fight.
She mad now.
Hadouken!
Yeah, I'm gonna make you hurt for that one. Okay, do that spiral again. Ah.
Hadouken! Hadouken!
Ha! Ah! Oh no! It's over. Good bait. Ah! Word? Alright, let's go. Let's go. Oh no! Oh no! Why do I keep jumping? Not like this! Ah! I should rage quit.
All right, so you've seen it for yourself. I'm trash in Street Fighter, but you heard it for yourself. The mic sounds crystal clear. So these are some great headphones for streaming your video games. Anyway, these are the HyperX Cloud Alpha Pro Gaming Headset, $100. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.